All right, this is another way that we can do division, another strategy that we can use. We've learned repeated subtraction on the previous slide. Now let's look at it on a number line. When we multiply on a number line, we count forward because we do repeated addition. When we divide on a number line, we're doing subtraction. So we're going to start at our biggest number, which is our dividend, and we're going to work backwards to get to our quotient. So here we go. The problem said that we had 12 newspapers and they needed to be divided into groups of 2 because each girl brought 1 newspaper, and we're finding out how many days. So on this one, we're going to start at 12 because that's our dividend. It's the biggest number in our problem. And we're going to count back by 2s because that's our divisor. That's how many we're dividing by. So I'm going to start at 12 and I'm going to go, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, because I have to get all the way to 0, okay? And then I can draw in my line. I have 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps, 5 jumps, 6 jumps. So using a number line, I know that you can make 6 groups of 2 to equal 12, or in this case, 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So we are jumping backwards doing repeated subtraction on a number line. So let's finish filling this in. It says you jumped back by 2 6 times. There are jumps of 2 in 12. There are 6 jumps of 2 in 12, which means 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Again, this is my dividend, divisor, quotient. All right, so what do your jumps of 2 represent? What do our jumps of 2 represent? That represents how many are in each group. This represents how many are in each group, because that's what we're dividing by. Okie doke. All right, on the bottom here, you are going to be doing the share and show. You have 3 problems to complete. You're going to use a number line, you're going to use repeated subtraction, and then you'll use a number line again. On this one, you're solving the problem, finding the quotient. On this one, write a division equation. That means you're going to be writing out like 12 divided by 2 equals 6. You need to write the equation. That's what this is called. And then the same thing on number 3. So for 2 and 3, you are going to be writing the equation. This is an equation. It's just missing its quotient. Down here, you need to write out the whole equation, which would be your dividend, your divisor, and your quotient for both 2 and 3. When you're finished, don't forget to check your work.